humid.
Hola, welcome Dominican Republic.
It smells good in here. How cute. Bienvenido. I don't know. Open it up. Oh, fancy. Aww. So I just finished kind of getting ready for the day. I didn't really do a whole lot of makeup. I'm really tired, but I need to tell you guys about some weird thing that just happened. So when we were checking in to this resort, the guy at the counter was saying that my mom and my boyfriend were going to be in a room together and that I was going to be in a room with her fiance, who is 12 years older than her. So that gives you sort of an idea of the age difference. And we looked at each other and we're like, why would he be saying we're rooming together? All of a sudden he looks at me and goes, wait a minute, how old are you? And I said, 23. And he goes, 20? I said, no, 23. And he said, 23? It's like, oh, what did you eat? What? What? What does that mean? Somebody explain it to me. What does that mean? Why did he say that to me? I don't know. It's a little strange. I don't know what this smorgasbord is that's going on, but it looks really good. Oh my gosh. You guys, this has been a day. A good day, but a day. Here's a little OOTD. This is like literally the cutest dress in the entire world. Back in the resort once again. We were just at the ocean and the pool and the beach, and I'm just doing a terrible job at vlogging this trip. I want to, I really do, and I do care about it, but when you're having fun and you're in the moment, it is very easy to forget. But also, it's so important in life to put technology down and just be in the moment. And I sound like I'm half in the bag right now, but I promise you I'm not. I'm just like on a natural high from life right now because I'm just having such a great time. This is such a good trip. You're asking if that is sloppy. Do you see what I'm wearing? Yeah. Mom, actually, now that you mentioned it, I think it is too sloppy.
Oh my God, you sound like a female Jim Carrey.
How'd you know that was recorded? I did. This hair, the humidity has gotten to her. She's got a mind of her own. Per usual. Since I have vlogged, I got kicked out of a restaurant because I was wearing a dress over my swimsuit and the swimsuit wasn't allowed. They've been singing for about 2 hours. The power just went out in the entire resort. So that was fun. And I think there was something else. What else? Oh, I have 19 spider bites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Well, I missed one, but you get the picture. You get the point. There's a lot. So there's that. Do you hear what I'm dealing with? Oh my gosh, it is so nice outside.
So we just did a speedboat.
Yeah, we went on a speedboat and we went snorkeling and it was super fun. However, I got a lot of sunspots. I think they're sunspots because I do have freckles, but these are probably going to go away because if they show up right away, they usually go away right away. But I have a lot of them, so I'm scarred.
I think they're cute.
Alright.
Salud!
Salud.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
No.
No, the cup is coming.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wilson. Buenos días.
Okay, so we just finished snorkeling with the sharks and stingrays as we saw. That was amazing. I love the dolphins. Ugh, I love dolphins. I wish I could work with them. I would love to work with dolphins as a career, but your girl can't swim very well. Now we're about to move to our second resort, and I've been to the resort we're going to 2 other times already, so I'm super excited. I love that resort. This one's been amazing. Oh my god, I remember all this. Ooh, what do I see? Oh wow. Okay. Yep. Don't even need to go outside.
This is much nicer than the first place. Hey, babe?
Fancy smancy. And we do have a porch.
Oh, oh my gosh.
The bride and groom have arrived. So the door just rang and we got delivered our little party gift from my brother and soon-to-be sister-in-law. How cute is this? Oh, I'm so excited. So it's been quite a while since I last vlogged. We just had a really nice day out on the ocean today, and I just didn't really feel like vlogging a whole lot, you know, because I'm spending time with my brother before he gets married and moves away to another state, and he's leaving me behind. And so I just didn't really feel like having the camera out the whole time, but it was so much fun. But other than that, we're gonna go to their rehearsal dinner tonight. I'm super excited. It's a sushi bar. It's gonna be really good. And then we're gonna go dancing, have some fun, and then tomorrow's the wedding. Super excited.